Start.
Okay. Where are you going?
I am going to Africa.
Do you have a passport and visa?
Yes.
Show me.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is
One by one, one by one.
My name is Baldania Mahesh.
My name is Kanti.
My name is Mukesh.
My name is Hardik Parmar.
Okay. Where are you from?
India.
India. And what is your last destination?
Hebron.
Why you are going in Hebron?
Because of the purpose of job.
Diamond job.
What is your company name? Have you ever been go to Africa?
No,
No.
this is my first time.
How long will you stay in Africa?
About
About
1 year.
years.
With whom are you going in Africa?
My team leader and my friends.
Who is your team leader?
Mr. Kumar.
Do you have any relatives here?
No.
No. Is this your bag?
Yes.
What is in this bag?
My
No,
father
no,
is
no.
some rules.
How much weight of this?
About
20
25
kg.
Okay.
So today, listen. Now everybody listen carefully. So today we will practice. We will practice at suppose that if you will at the airport and at the immigration department. Then how many questions, how many types of questions they will ask you. We will just revise. Clear? સો એરપોર્ટ પર તમે જશો તો કેવા કેવા પ્રકારના ક્વેશ્ચન તમને આસ્ક કરશે એના વિશે આપણે અત્યારે માહિતી મેળવીશું ક્લિયર સો આના માટે હું આઈ જસ્ટ કોલ ટુ મિસ્ટર ગિરીશ એન્ડ મિસ્ટર કિરીટ actually Mr. Girish actually I want to know what is your level in this company, what is your level in this company?
I'm a client checker,
Okay.
and if you any queries, so I solve all things.
Right. Okay, and how long have you been working in this company?
For 10 years.
For 10 years. Okay, nice. And Mr. Kirit,
Yes.
so I want to ask you, what's your level in this company? What's your designation in this company?
My designation in the company is manager.
Manager. You are the manager. Okay, how many workers are working under you?
30 worker is my under.
Okay, 30 workers. Approximate 30 workers are under. Okay, so what types of work basically you do?
Sorry.
What types of work basically you do?
Diamond related.
Diamond. So you handle the all departments as diamond related works related. Okay, so I think that you are going to abroad now? You are going to Africa?
Yes.
Okay, means you are same department you are having to the Africa.
Yes.
Okay. So I asked you some questions which will be available for you. Okay, which will need you at the immigration process. So would you like to reply me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. So yes, what's your good name?
My name is Girish Susundar Rawal.
Okay, good. And where are you going right now?
We are to Africa.
Going to Africa. And this is your friend?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. What's Mr. What's your good name?
My good name is Vasayakari.
Okay, fine. So you both are only going to Africa, or anybody is with you also?
My teams, yes. We have
Okay.
our teams.
So you are also with them. So how many members are going? How many members are in your team right now?
45. Approximately.
Okay, good. And what is your level in the company?
It's like monitor.
Monitor.
Yeah.
So you will monitor, so like you will monitor all things.
Yes.
Okay, good. And yes, Mr. What's your level?
My level is manager.
You're the manager. Okay, good. So and where are you going right now?
Africa in Hebron.
Africa, in Hebron. Okay, so right now you are going as to start a company, or you are going for to start a work. What's your level in that company?
Start the work.
Okay, so how long you will be stay there?
Approx 12 months.
Approach to 12 months. Okay, good. And right now, how much dollar do you have?
About $300.
$300. You know properly how much you require right now?
No, require $300 in my jab,
In your pocket.
in my pocket.
Okay, okay.
And जरूर पड़ेगा.
If I required, so you
If I
can
required is my Google Pay.
Okay, so you are heavy. Okay, right now you are heavy. Okay, not an issue. And how old are you?
20 years.
20 years, yeah. And you?
I 42 years.
Okay, and in that company, in which company you are the host? Which company sponsored you? Take Girdala. I think you are the both. You both belong from.
Yes.
Okay, and where is your native company?
Surat.
Surat. Which place? In Surat, which place?
Umia at the time.
Umia. It means you are from India.
Yes.
Okay. Like, and which is your state?
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Okay, and you are having the bags?
Yes.
Okay, how much? What is in your bag?
Cloth and some food.
Clothes and some foods. Okay, and what is its weight of your bag?
24, 25.
Okay, is there any steels or any metals in your bag?
No.
Okay, you are having a cell phone.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And have you checked your cell phones in this all thing?
Yes.
From the counter?
Yes.
Yes.
Check out procedure completed.
Yeah. And you are having, I think that you must be have a visa and passport. This all thing you must
Yes.
have.
Yes.
Boarding passes also.
Yes.
Okay, good. So, and how long? I think that how long you will stay there?
Approx 12 months.
Approx 12 months. And when you will reach there, okay, in Gabon you are going. So I think that Gabon is your last destination.
Yes.
Oh, great. And may I know your company address?
Block number 5.
Block number 5.
Block number 5. Okay. Right now, how many workers are going with you?
35.
35.
Yes.
And right now you are having your team leader.
Yeah.
Who's your team leader?
Mr. Kunal.
Mr. Kunal Shah. Okay. Can you call me? Letter is available.
No,
No.
he is some procedure.
Okay. Okay. No problem. So, but after you went from this place, then you call to your team leader because I want to get some discussions with you. Okay, so next thing I think that you are completely ready to go to the Gabon.
Yes.
So wish you a happy journey. You can do your work very happily. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, good.